Performance page allows you to place your project components in real-world positionings, allowing AI to do a lot of the difficult work for you. Let's have a look at the fixture types we've got on offer. At the top left we can see the three main fixture types that we use in AI. First of all, we have the screen fixture, then we have the modular LED fixture, and then we have the projector fixture. So let's add them individually and see what they offer. So first of all, let's add the screen fixture. So the screen fixture allows you access to standard texture, so that's when you play back a video and it's not wrapped around a 3D object. It's a more standard playback fixture. Secondly, we have the modular LED fixture. So the idea with this fixture is that you can play back video and then the video is converted into ArtNet or DMX data in real time to allow you to share the colour, feel and mood with your LED fixtures as well as your visual fixtures. The third one, the projector fixture, gives us access to the 3D capabilities of AI, such as the video mapping and edge blending and automatic projector calibration techniques. So, if I click on the screen fixture first of all, let's have a quick look at what we've got here. You'll find that a lot of the information for the different fixture types is fairly similar, but there is some variation between each. So the first three boxes allow us to create a 3D position within our virtual environment. We can then see that we've got width, height and depth available. We've then got a rotation amount. I try not to rotate within AI if I can. I try to import my models correctly positioned, but sometimes you do need to make some changes. We've then got the canvas resolution boxes. So this is the screen resolution. So if you want to run an HD screen, this is where you'd enter the values 1920, 1080, like so. If I want to take my existing screen and make it 16:9, because I'm using the default screen, we can see it's a square, so that's a ratio of 1:1. So to make that 16:9, we can change the scale width to 1.6 and the height to 0.9. So you can see the fixture's pretty easy to set up. We can also import 3D models directly onto the fixture. You just load them in your browser and drag them onto the fixture icon here at the bottom. For the modular LED fixture, we have a very similar looking fixture to the screen fixture. Now a key difference with this is that we run it in a much lower resolution, because potentially every single pixel on this screen could be controlling a unique LED fixture. So we start by default with a resolution of 128 by 128, which actually has the potential to control around 100,000 lighting fixtures. So for that reason, we generally propose keeping the resolution of this fixture small, just to control the overheads on the system. It's also worth noting that the horizontal resolution of this needs to be a power of 2. So that's 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024 and so on. But the vertical height can be anything. Lastly, we've got our projector fixture. So we use this fixture when we want to do complex mapping or edge blending. And generally, the practice with this fixture is to bring its position out so that it offers coverage to the screen that you want to include in that mapping part. Then with the fixture selected, we can enter the aspect ratio. So this time we're going to enter it as a sum instead of doing each side uniquely. And we can also enter lens ratios here. So the lens ratio tells you how far you need to project to get an image of a certain size, and this value will vary from projector to projector, so it's always worth checking. So they're the three main fixture types. So we use the screen for playback of media, we use the projector for 3D mapping and blending, and we use the modular LED fixture to control playback on LED fixtures. The last three buttons we have on the page are some simple modelling tools. The first one will allow you to combine multiple fixtures. So if you've had to import separate models but you want to work on them as one, you select the fixtures and then press this left button. The second button will split fixtures. So if you have a screen fixture which is made of multiple components but you want to control them independently, you can use this, and this will create multiple fixtures for you automatically. And the last one allows you to change the axis or orientation of the model. Normally X is left, Y is up and down, and Z is backwards and forwards, but some programs do have variation between their Y and their Z axis, and this can cause you problems further down the line. So with the fixture selected, pressing this button will allow you to reorientate the model at will.